Hi friends, this video shows how to remove facial interface of MetaQuest 3. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So here and here, first apply some pressure here. We can use our thumb. See, this part has opened. Then try here. Okay, this side is done. Then go to the other side. Apply some pressure here. Done. Do the same thing here. Done. We can move these arms to one side, then it would be easy to take it out. See, this way we can easily remove this facial interface. So let me put it back, but this is very easy. We can just put it like this. Then apply some pressure here. Okay, done. Ensure that it's locked. There is 4 locks. Ensure that it's locked properly. So this way we can remove this facial interface, then put it back. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.